With exceptional pond views and wooded surroundings, this cheerful top-floor golf villa offers a convenient location and a private and peaceful setting. Mostly furnished, featuring 2 bedrooms and 2 baths with vaulted ceilings, this unit sits in the Willow Bend community of Barefoot Resort, which offers an incredible array of amenities, including fine restaurants, a full-service marina, fitness center, a 15,000 square foot pool, 4 championship golf courses, and more. And there's even a transferable golf membership available. With seasonal shuttle service, and just across from the Intracoastal Waterway and the multitude of shops and entertainment at Barefoot Landing, you're in an unbeatable location, just 5 short minutes to the sunny beaches of the Atlantic Ocean. Call us for your appointment today.